lazy. You're just overwhelmed. Have you ever had so many things to do, but you end up doing nothing? You tell yourself you're lazy, you feel guilty, you promise to do better tomorrow, but tomorrow comes and it's the same thing. What if I told you you're not lazy? Let's be real. You wake up with plans. You want to be productive. You even make a to-do list. But then, assignments, learning a skill, trying to make money, family expectations, social media distractions. Everything starts piling up. Your brain gets tired before you even begin. So instead of starting, you scroll, you postpone, you avoid. Not because you don't care, but because it all feels like too much. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Laziness is often just hidden overwhelm. When your brain sees too many tasks, it goes into protection mode. It tells you, let's do something easier. Let's rest first. We'll start later. Not because you're weak, but because your mind is overloaded. You're not avoiding work, you're avoiding stress. So how do you fix it? 1. Shrink the task. Don't say, I'll study for 3 hours. Say, I'll study for 10 minutes. Starting small removes pressure. 2. Clear the noise. Stop trying to do everything in one day. Pick just 1 or 2 important things, not 10, not 20, just 1 or 2. 3. Start before you feel ready. Motivation comes after action, not before. You don't need to feel ready, you just need to begin. So next time you feel lazy, pause and ask yourself, am I really lazy or just overwhelmed? Because once you understand the difference, everything changes. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, comment, and share to keep the conversation going. Until next time, bye.